yesterday, an oil spill incident had happened in the beach side near Veli yesterday. Actually, the Trivandrum Titanium Products Limited, they have an authorized discharge channel, and the glass furnace oil, due to an incident inside the company, it got mixed in the effluents in the discharge channel and it reached the sea. The fishermen who were in the sea, they identified this change in the color and alerted the authorities. Pollution Control Board is the nodal agency for the management of the oil spill incident, and Coast Guard is the executing agencies. Both the agencies immediately reached on the spot, and the Coast Guard, with the using their ships and boats available, they patrolled the entire area around 25 to 30 kilometers into the sea. And the direction of the wind and the tides was in such a manner yesterday that all the oil that was mixed into the sea water, it came back into the beach shore. So as the first precaution, response, we immediately identified the source of this leakage and plugged that. So that was handled very effectively in 1 to 2 hours. The next was the polluted sand on the beach. So as per the contingency plan, the entire beach sand has to be shifted out from there, and it will be taken to a safe place separately, where using oil neutralizers, the sand will be decontaminated. So that process has begun yesterday. However, in the Veli and Shanmugam areas, because that was the area which was affected, we have told all the tourists and all the fishermen not to venture into the sea. And for the next 48 hours, we will be observing the extent of the damage and effects that will be caused on the marine life, and also the extent of mixing of the oil into the water. As of now, the situation is under control, but we will be observing for the next 2 days, and accordingly we will be giving out the next set of instructions.